KF CPTEK, a manufacturer of mostly crimping tools, sent me some tools to test and review. The first one is this PEX crimping tool. So in this very long video, I'm going to test it and review it. This is going to be a drawn out, technical, boring video covering some PEX plumbing system basics and very, very long, detailed, drawn out
video. Very boring.
For those of you still here, I'm giving it away to one of you subscribers. You might have noticed I didn't mention the giveaway in the title of this video or in the thumbnail because I'd really like one of us to win this and not some shady, low-life, no-good giveaway vulture. It seems that's a thing. I'll explain it all at the end of this video. For those who've stuck out of sheer curiosity and don't know what a PEX crimper is, or even what PEX is, PEX, or cross-linked polyethylene, is a type of plastic pipe used in plumbing and heating systems. It's known for its flexibility, resistance to corrosion, and ease of installation. PEX pipes are often used in residential and commercial applications for both hot and cold water, as well as hydronic radiant heating systems. Installing PEX is quick, easy, and safe. PEX is flexible, so you can bend it to a point, pull it through tight spaces from one wall stud or floor joist to another, and no heat is required to assemble the components. Also, it's extremely light and about 1/10 the price of copper. Just to give you a general idea, traditional copper pipe based on 10-foot lengths is about $3.70 per foot, while PEX is currently priced at about 35 cents per foot. But that price is steeply discounted because it's for a 100-foot roll. PEX enjoys an almost infinite range of fittings and adapters, and it can easily be tied into older existing plumbing. It's usually color-coded, blue for cold, red for hot, white or gray for either, and there's also orange, which is mostly used for heating systems. As opposed to traditional plumbing, PEX is sized by its outside diameter in 3/8, ½ an inch, 3/4, and 1 inch diameters. But how is PEX installed? And where does this tool come into play? Let's say you need to attach one section of PEX to another, or install a 90-degree elbow, or any other type of fitting. You cut PEX with this type of pipe cutter. Yeah, that easy. Slip on a copper ring. I go a bit further. Fully insert the fitting, either brass or plastic. Adjust the ring where you know those barbs are, leaving about 1/8 of an inch of exposed PEX here. Align the crimper and compress the ring by pushing the handles of the crimper together till you feel the crimper snap. The fittings have raised barbed ridges. As the crimper compresses the copper ring around the PEX pipe, those ridges bite into the plastic, ensuring a solid, permanent connection. You can then check if your crimp is up to spec with this feeler gauge, which KF CPTEK call their go, no-go gauge. You slide it over your connection and it should slip into the go slot with a bit of friction. If you install PEX as a job, then you probably have one of those amazing battery-operated crimpers, or you use some other type of system. But for us occasional installers, this tool is perfect, and it comes in 1/2 and 3/4 inch sizes. I have to admit, it looks good and it feels fine, and it's sturdy to the point of feeling indestructible. But does it do a good job of squeezing connection rings? I needed to devise some sort of test, so I'm installing rings with my regular crimping tool, this one here, and other rings with the KF CPTEK crimping tool, and then putting my welfare and safety on the line to prove a point. This side is the KF CPTEC side. This one is my trusty old PEX Crimper. I do this for science, because I don't know how else to find a test to do this. Okay. Wow. That's good enough for me. KF CPTEC asked me to be honest about this review, and I told them I would be brutally honest if need be. They also know that I will be giving this tool away, not accepting any sort of compensation, which they never offered anyway. I don't normally do reviews, but when I do, don't buy this, don't install it. At the bottom of the list though is this turd of a marker. Remove these from your shelves. Not very technical, but bad button. Recall these. KF CPTEC sells their PEX crimping tool online as a kit with the go, no-go gauge, listed at $59 on Amazon.ca. My old Crimprite from the big hardware stores is $75. What more can I say about this PEX Crimper? It's pretty, it's orange, and it really feels far superior to my old Crimper. Negative feedback? Yes. As a name, KF CPTEC doesn't really roll off the tongue. Which brings us to official giveaway rules. What you win? This fine KF CPTEC PEX crimping tool with the go, no-go gauge. How to enter? 1. Subscribe to Duct Tapers Anonymous on YouTube. 2. Comment on my PEX crimping tool test and review video. Write anything you'd like. Participants must have a valid Gmail account. That's a YouTube prerequisite to comment on YouTube videos. Official rules. It is free to enter to win. The contest opens at 9 AM EST, Eastern Standard Time, on Thursday, May 29th, 2025. The contest closes at 9 PM EST on Thursday, June 5th, 2025. The winner will be chosen randomly amongst the first 250 comments with a YouTube comment picker at 9 PM EST on Thursday, June 5th, 2025. And will be announced in the comments section here and as a YouTube short and possibly a TikTok the same evening. If the winner has not followed the rules of the contest, they will be disqualified. The winner must contact me via email at bob@ducttapersanonymous.com to claim their prize. I will validate that you are the account holder with a keyword that you will then edit into your original winning comment of this video. That way I'll know it's really you. Sort of like a manual two-factor authentication. If the winner does not respond within 2 weeks, they will be disqualified and a new winner will be chosen. Any information collected will be used for the sole purpose of delivering the prize to the winner. This contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and I am solely responsible for the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. That's it. I'm happy and relieved to say that this tool, this crimping tool by KF CPTEC, is indeed a fine tool, meaning it doesn't suck, and I'm happy to pass it on to one of you. And good luck to all of you.